Hello students, welcome to Umadevi Children Academy. Students, today we are going to discuss the new chapter, the chemical bonding. In that chemical bonding, we are discussing the topic is Kozel and Lewis approach of chemical bonding. Right, students? So let's start the topic chemical bonding. So what is chemical bond? Attractive force which hold the various constituents ions atoms together, different chemical species called as a chemical bonding. So there is a attractive force between the atoms, attractive force between the ions, or attractive force between the molecules to hold a chemical species called as chemical bond. For example, if I am using the A atom react with the A atoms, between the A and A atom a attractive force is held here. If I am using the B atom, between the B and B species having the attractive force here, or may use A and B atom, between them held a the kind of attractive force, right? So it means the here A and B atoms holding both are holding this bond. Through this bond, the both atoms are the strongly held with each other. So that's why it is called the chemical bond. Right. For example, in the class 10th, we have discussed many reactions like the sodium and chloride, how sodium and chloride are attract with each other. Sodium ion, chloride ions, both are ions, and both ions are attract with each other through the kind of electrostatic force of attractions. So between the ions, the whatever the force is present, that is kind of the electrostatic force of attraction. So electrostatic force is also kind of the chemical bond. Right. Or we are also discuss the bond between the carbon hydrogen or carbon carbon, between them attain covalent bond. So that is a type of the chemical bond held between the carbon carbon, hydrogen hydrogen, or carbon hydrogens. So we called the chemical bond. All those things we called chemical bond. So chemical bonds was discussed by the two scientists, Kozel and Lewis. So that's why the heading is Kozel and Lewis representation of chemical bonding. So these two scientists were explained that the how chemical bonds are react with each other, why they react with each other. So all these things here discussed here. So in order to explain the formation of chemical bond, electron. So electron, the number of attempts were made, but the 1916 when Kozel Lewis successfully independently give the satisfactory explanations. The first prove the logical explanation, the valence which have the base on the inertness of noble gases, and the Lewis pictured atom the positively charged kernel and the outer shell. The cloud accommodated maximum 8 electron. Further assume the 8 electron occupy corner of the cube with surrounded by kernel. So here but due to the both Kozel and Lewis, their satisfactory explanation, they explain that why the noble gases cannot form the bond. The noble gas, or you may say inert gas, why they are the cannot show any kind of chemical bond, right? Why they are inactive towards the chemical bond. The first explain based on the valency, and next that they are explain that the whatever the atom is there, the atom central positive charges exist in the central positive charge around in which the many electrons are present here. Right. So the central positive charge around in which the electrons are present. So this the around electrons are present. How many electrons? Maximum 8 electrons are present. Central positive charge around in which the 8 electrons are present. So this is he considered as a kernel. So kernel means the positive charged species around in which the 8 electrons are occupying, that is we called as a kernel. Kozel has come to the conclusion that when he observed the sodium atom and some other element, noble gases other element like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. So what you found? The sodium having only one electrons. So that's why it is more reactive. It is considered as a more reactive, outermost one electrons. And other element outermost two electrons. Helium 2 electrons, and the other noble gases 8 electrons. All the noble gases which contain the 8 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So other noble gases, whatever other noble gases are there, other noble gases I will take here the E. Okay, other noble gases which contain outermost 8 electrons. Right, friends? So due to the outermost 8 electrons, it is more stable. It is more stable than the sodium atom. So whatever the species having the positive charge nucleus, central positive charge nucleus, around in which the outermost 8 electrons are covered, such type of elements are considered as a more stable element. So that is he given the one name, that is this is the octet electron. Octet electrons represent the particular stable electronic arrangement. Questions. So Lewis postulated the atom achieve the stable octet when they are linked with chemical bond. So whenever the any species, when they forms chemical bond, why they forms chemical bond? Because they want to achieve the noble gas configurations. If any species which is showing attraction to the some other species, means the one species which want to stabilize itself by occupying the outermost 8 electrons. Similarly, other species which is accepting electron. If it is accepting electron, means the other species want to attain the stable noble gas configuration by accepting electrons. So that's why they are showing the chemical bond here. The sodium chlorine, here the sodium chlorine already I given the example. So sodium is a positive charge, sodium outermost 8 electron, sodium outermost the 11 electron, atomic number 11, and outermost 1 electrons, that is 2 8 1. And sodium atom release 1 electron to form sodium ion by releasing electrons, and the sodium after the losing 1 electron it becomes outermost 8 electrons. So it is stable. So that is stable because it outermost contain the 8 electron. So that's why any species which lose electron, because they want to stabilize itself by losing or gaining electron. Similarly, chlorine, the outermost the atomic number 17 to 8 7. So the formation of octet only 1 electrons are required. So that's why it accepts 1 electron from the sodium or from others and any other species to form sodium ion, chloride ion. So after attaining the chloride ion, it outermost attain the 2 8 8 electrons. So 7 electrons turns into 8. Right, friends? So it means the species accept electron because they want to stabilize itself by accepting 1 electrons. So bond is formed by sharing of pair of electron between the atoms. The process attain the stable octet configurations. So attain the stable octet or configuration. The bond also formed by the sharing the pair of electrons. So some species which are sharing the pair of electron between the atoms. So for example, chlorine, valency 1, atomic number 287, atomic number 287. When they are mutually share electrons, after mutually sharing electrons, it forms Cl bond Cl. So it means this bond is hold for both species. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this 7 8. Similarly 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is 7 and this is 8. Arrangements. The Lewis symbol. The formation of the molecules only outer shell take part in chemical reaction known as a valence electrons. So already we have discussed the outermost electron which take part in a take place a role of the chemical bonding. So outermost electron called as a chemical valence electrons. So Inner shell electrons well protected, generally not involved in the combination of chemical bonding. So what are the inner shells are there? The inner shells will not play any kind of the chemical bonding, because the inner shells are completely satisfied, completely fulfilled with 8 electron. So that's why they will not play any role of chemical bonding. The outermost electrons are unstable, that's why they are show the chemical bonding. Lewis symbol has given some example. Lithium outermost 1 electrons, beryllium outermost 2 electrons, boron outermost 3, carbon outermost 4, and nitrogen outermost 8, 7, oxygen outermost 8, fluorine outermost 8 electrons, and near outermost also 8 electrons. Right, friends? So that's why the exit of this species, lithium, beryllium, boron, exit of this species, the remaining all the species, the second period of the element which are show the octet structure after bonding. Right, friends? Significance of Lewis symbol: the number of dot around the symbol represent the valence electron. Number of valence electrons are help to calculate the common group of valence electron. So group of valence of element that typically either equal to the number of dots in Lewis symbol 8 minus number of dot or valence electron. First one, the students, the what are the dots are there? The dots are these dots are represent the valence electrons. So valence electron help to calculate the common group. It means, for example, I am using here the lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These all the species which having the outermost 1 electrons, 1 valence electrons. It's like our fingerprint, students. As the fingerprint, the each individual person having the individual fingerprint. Similarly, the first group of element having the single valence electrons. In the second group of the element, the beryllium, manganese, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. So this species is having the outermost 2 electrons, 2 valence electrons. So different species having the different number of outermost electron, students. So if the any species form a chemical bond, when they will form the chemical bond, when the electrons are less than 8. When electrons are less than 8 or 8 minus number of dots valence electron, then they will definitely form the chemical bonding. So here neon cannot play any chemical bonding because the outermost the 8 electrons are present here. Okay. Causal and relation chemical bond draw the attention of the following. So causal has given kept the main attention. So periodic table highly electronegative halogen, the highly electropositive alkali metal, separated by the noble gases. The formation of negative ions from the halogen and positive ions from the alkali metal gain or lose electron by the respective atoms. So here in the causal has given the one explanation. The sodium atom, why it donate electron? Because it outermost the 2 at 1 valence electron is present. If 1 valence electron is removed, then it outermost attain 8 electrons. So that's why the sodium which have the first group of the element which having the common thing is these species which are releasing electrons. Similarly, chlorine, the 8 turns into 2Cl minus. So here also, students, here the electron configuration is the chlorine electron configuration 287, students. When it accepts 1 electron, students, if I accept 1 electron means the outermost 7 electrons, it means it is less than 8 or minus of 8 electrons. So that's why when it accepts 1 electron we are added, so then it becomes 288 electrons. Now it is stable. So that's why why sodium and chloride react. Sodium chlorides react because the sodium which is donate electron to the chlorine, Why it is donate electron? Because attain the noble gas configuration. Similarly, non-metal chlorine which accept electron, because it after accepting electron it want to attain the stable noble gas configurations. Questions. Okay, so the noble gases in exception of the helium, duplet, particular outer electron configuration, octet, ns2 np6. So any species except of helium outermost only 2 electron, except of helium all the noble gases outermost attain the ns2 np6 configuration, that is 8 electrons. So negative and positive ions are stabilized with electron configuration. Look at your students. Sodium and sodium ion here, when it lose 1 electrons it attain the noble gas configurations, neon configuration. Sodium ion attain the neon configurations. Chlorine accept 1 electrons to form chloride ions. Chlorine always accept 1 electrons. So the chlorine configuration is neon s2 3p5. So for attaining the electron configuration only 1 electrons are required here. So 1 electrons are added to the chlorine, 1 electrons are added, then 3p5 becomes 3p6. So then it attain the noble gas configurations. So similarly calcium also lose 2 electrons and attain the argon configurations. Iron lose 1 electrons to attain the noble gas configuration. So all the species are donated electron because attain the noble gas configurations. So bond formed by the result electrostatic force of attraction between the positive and negative charge term called as the electrostatic force. So after that this sodium ion attracted to the chloride ions through the charge, they are attracted with each other to form the sodium chloride. Sodium chloride here. So whatever the bond is present between the sodium and chloride, or you may say between the metal and non-metal, that is the electrovalent bond. So the calcium assigned the electrovalency 2, while 2 chlorines are negative electrovalence of the 1. The whatever sodium is there, the calcium having the positive charge outermost 2 electrons. So it means to attain the electron configuration, the sodium must be lose 2 electrons to the 2 chlorine atoms, then attain the noble gas configurations. Questions. Causal postulates provide the basis of modern concept of regarding the formation of electrons, transfer of electron, and the formation of the ionic crystal compound. Causal postulates the modern concept has introducing here. He views the provide the understanding the systematic ionic compound and the state the he did not recognize the fact of large number of compounds and did not fit into this concept. Right. So in this method the sodium ion lose electron, chlorine accept electron. In this method the ionic bond is or electrostatic bond exists between the atoms, but he did not explain the why the large number of compounds are formed. How they will form the large number of compounds or ionic bond will be formed, that one could not explain by the causal. This is one of the drawbacks. Octet rule. Octet means the any atom outermost attain the 8 electron, called as the octet rule, students. So Causal and Lewis 1816 they implied that this theory, that is called electronic theory of chemical bond, or you may say octet rule also. So transfer of electron from one species to another species, and between them they attain the bond, that is called the octet rule. One species to another species gaining and losing electrons. So why there occurs? Because they want to stabilize themselves to attain the noble gas configuration. Covalent bond. Langmuir is refined the postulation of the abandoning idea of the satisfactory cubic arrangement octet and the covalent bond. The Langmuir has understood consider the formation of chlorine molecules. He understood how chlorine molecules will form here. The chlorine molecules, one chlorine molecule, which having the outermost the neon 3s2 3p5, both having the same energy level, so that is 2 plus 5, 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 electrons. Another species 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 electrons. So this species and this species, both species are mutually share electrons. After mutually sharing electrons, they are converted into Cl bond Cl. So look at here, I am putting the outermost electrons of the chlorine atom. Yes, students. So look at here, students. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 electrons are present here. So these bond electrons, the bonded electrons, these bonded electrons hold for both sides, because the both species are mutually sharing electrons. So that's why the while counting the number of electrons, this bond is hold on the both sides like this, 8 electrons, and this is the another 8 electrons. So that is this 8 electron and this is also 8 electron. That is the octet structures. Right, students? So look at here the figure. Chlorine contain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These electrons are mutually share here. After mutually sharing, they attain the type of bond here. Right, students? Type of bond. So when you count the number of electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is 7 8 for this atom. For second chlorine atom, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is for the second atoms. It means bonded electrons hold on the both side. That is called covalent bond. Okay, dot represents the structure of the Lewis dot structure. The Lewis dot structure is written in the molecule also. The combining the identical different. The important being that the each bond form the result the sharing the electron pair between the atom. Each combine the atom contributing one electron to the shared pair. The combining atom attain the outermost noble gas configurations. As a result, the sharing of electrons. Thus, the water and the carbon tetrachloride molecules all form the covalent compound here, like this only. So, the Langmuir is using the Lewis dot structure. With the help of Lewis dot structure, he explained that the formation of chlorine molecules, formation of covalent bond between the species, he explained here. So, when they mutually share electron, both species are mutually share electron, a bond is held, and that covalent bond is hold on the both side to attain the octet structures. Look at here, example, water. The oxygen outermost contain 6 electrons. So it means the oxygen outermost 6 electron means the 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right, friends? So here one bond and here one bond is present here. So that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and one more 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 electrons. Similarly, the chlorine molecules 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The carbon dioxide structure, carbon dioxide electronic structure, the both carbon and oxygen between them attain the 8 electrons here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Carbon is completely 8 electrons. Oxygen 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is 8 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is one more 8 electrons. The similar structure explained by the ethane molecules, ethane, nitrogen gas, and the carbon dioxide. What is this? The ethane gas. Lewis dot representation of the molecules. So Lewis structure here. The Lewis structure provide the picture of the bonding molecules and the bonding ions. How the atom combine to form molecules, and how the electrostatic force exists between the ions. That explained by the लेविस representation और में से octet rule. But the such picture, the formation of hydrogen molecule, formation of chlorine molecule, or formation of sodium chloride, such picture does not explain the behavior of the molecule completely. It cannot explain behavior of the molecules. It just help for the understanding purpose of how the molecules are formed here and why molecules are formed the bond. That only explain here. Right. So some rules are there, the useful rules. He giving the some the steps adopted to write the understand the Lewis dot structure. For example, the writing structure, the adding the valence electron of the combined atoms. Add valence electrons of the combined atom. For example, if I am using carbon valence electron 4 and combine with the 4 hydrogen. The carbon combine with 4 hydrogen means the carbon 4 valence and the hydrogen 1 valence. So here look at your structure. The structure here, we have to calculate all the valence bonded electrons, all the valence bonded electron or combined atoms. Here the two atoms are combined, carbon hydrogen, so this is 2 electrons, and here 2 electron, 2 plus 2 4, and this is 2 plus 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8 electrons are occupying around the carbon atom, 8 electrons. So that is the satisfactory rule. So in this manner we have to consider the carbon attain the octet structure by combining 4 hydrogen atoms and using their its own 4 valence electrons. Similarly the negative charged ions, right? So each negative charge ions, it means the addition of electrons. The negative charge ions means the element isolated atoms which accept one electron from the other species, right? So when it accepts electron, you have to count all the electrons here. So cation is positive charge, result the subtraction of 1 electrons. So total number of valence electrons out of total valence. So similar, I explained the sodium atomic number 1, it lost 1 electrons, it means the 1 electrons are subtract here. Sodium ion 1 electron is subtract here, then it is 2 8 1 2 8. So 1 electron is subtract here, so that is it attend the octet structures. Similarly chlorine, in which the addition 1 electrons, so here it is 2 8 7, right? 2 8 7, then it turns into chlorine ion, that is 2 8 8, outermost 8 electrons. Right, students? For example, look at here the carbonate CO3 minus 2, the structure is like this, students. CO3 minus 2, right? Two negative charge ions indicated the additional electron then provided the neutral atoms. The structure actually like this: carbon, outermost 4 valence electrons, right? One oxygen is bond, it completely satisfied here. Another oxygens, right, students? Here it satisfied here. So here when you count the oxygen atom, oxygen is not satisfied. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 electrons. So that's why it accepts 1 electrons here. I mentioned here star, so it is 1 minus charge. One more oxygen atom, 2 3 4 5 6 7 electrons, so it accept 1 more electrons, so it charge. So how many minus charge? 2 minus charge, so that's why we write here CO3 minus 2. Right, students? So NH4 plus ion, positive charge ion, and loss indicates loss of 1 electron from the group of neutral atom NH4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the outermost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons. And plus charge indicated, it means it lost one electron from its outermost orbit. So chemical symbol and combining atom having the knowledge of the scaled structure is easy to distribute the total number of electrons, bonding shared pair of electron, and the proportion of total bond. So this method is explain the combining number of atom, how they combines, how they form the bond, how they attain the stable molecules. So generally the last electronegative atom occupy the central position in the molecules. Always the formation of the complex molecule like NH4. The out of nitrogen and hydrogen, the nitrogen is more electronegative. So that's why the while writing the structure, always most electronegative atoms are considered as the least electronegative atoms are considered as the central. So the nitrogen is center, so it means it's the least electronegative. Similarly, NF3, nitrogen is center, fluorine. For the students, it is not writing properly. So fluorine is more electronegative atom than the nitrogen. So nitrogen is central part. Similarly, CO3, like this, CO3 minus 2. So CO3 structure like already shown you. So carbon is the least electronegative and oxygen is high electronegative atom. According to the shared pair of electron, the single bond, the remaining electron pair either utilized by the multiple bonding or remaining as the lone pair. Right. So whatever the electron, the atoms which having the extra pair of electrons, so either they forms the electron pairs utilized to form multiple bond or remain same. For example, oxygens which use out of 6 electrons, it use 2 pair, one pair used to form double bond and the remainings are same here. So this is the basic requirement for the bonding get octet structure. This is all the rules explain the Kozel and Lewis theory about the structures, octet structure. So this is the one of the example students, Lewis representations. All the species, the bonded species and the bonded electron, unbonded electrons, that in the octet structure here. So here the central part is less electronegative, and the terminal part of high electronegative. They forms bond like this. Right, friends?